Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to delete contacts from WhatsApp. First up, you just need to open your WhatsApp application and then tap on the message icon right here at the bottom right corner, as you can see here. So when you tap on that, you will find all your contacts on WhatsApp. Now basically, if you want to delete contacts, you just need to select the contact that you want to delete. For example, write this one. So if you tap on this account, basically you will now go to this chat. Now all you need to do is tap on the three dots right there at the top right corner of your screen. And then here on tap on more, you'll find all the options. You can basically report, block, or clear chat. Now if you going to the profile name right there, if you tap on the profile name and the profile picture, you will go to the profile page. Basically, if you scroll down, you just have the two options here, block or report. So we don't have specific buttons here where you can delete contact, but if you block or report this account, it will definitely delete or remove this account from your WhatsApp. So that's how you basically delete contacts from WhatsApp. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel.